In this video, we will talk about how to use Chrome Remote Desktop. Make sure to watch the complete video. Step 1. Host computer, where we want to access remotely. Take your cursor on Google Chrome. Do a right-click and select Open. On the top address bar, type Chrome Remote Desktop and press Enter and open it. If you are signed in, then you will get a screen like this. If you are not signed in, then you will have two options, as you can see: access my computer or share my screen. Then select Share my screen and sign into your Gmail account. On the left-hand side, click on Remote Support. Click on Download icon to share the screen. Select Add to Chrome. Add extension. Click on Accept and Install. Open the installer. Click on Yes. Now click on Generate Code. And here we have our access code. Step 2. Client device. The one you'll use to access the host computer. Open the Google Chrome browser. Type Chrome Remote Desktop. If you will get Access My Computer, then click on it and sign into your Gmail account. On the left-hand side, you need to select Remote Support. Paste the access code you got from host computer. Once you will paste the code, host PC will get share prompt. They simply have to click on Share, and you will get the Chrome Remote Desktop screen. So that's how you can use Chrome Remote Desktop. That's all for today. See you in the next video.